Did you know you can make money online? So welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you ways you can make money online at the comfort of your home. And the good news is you do not need to have any degree whatsoever. As long as you have the skills, you're good to go. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is called writing. Did you know you can make money online by just writing? Yes, and the good news is right now you can even decide to use all tools to help you in writing. Maybe you're writing an article, maybe you're writing an ebook, maybe you're writing a journal. At the end of the day, you can use AL to help you to come up with the ideas, and then you fill it up with the final information by yourself. So you bring in the human aspect. But remember, people get paid to write articles. There are people who literally pay you to just write for them. How much can you earn just to write? You can end up earning around $1,000 to start with per week. There are people who are earning $1,000 to start with per month. It all depends on you, on how much you're charging, how much you're going to be paid, how much your skills are when it comes to writing. Remember, the higher your skills are, the more money you're going to get paid. And remember, there are different niches when it comes to writing. There you can decide to write under IT sector, that is technology sector. You can decide to write under maybe products and services. You can decide to write maybe on novels, a fiction world, or you can decide to write maybe on products. I mean, the world of writing is so diverse, and there are different sectors under it. Remember, when you become more specialized in a certain sector, you end up getting recognized and you end up getting paid more money. Remember, there are people who literally are getting paid, who are charging around $100 per hour just to write an article. And yes, they're getting paid for that amount. Why? Because they are recognized, because they are specialized in that sector, and they are known. Whenever they do a work, they deliver high quality work. And remember, for you to become successful when it comes to online work, you need to deliver high quality work. The other sector I'm going to talk about that you can use it to earn money online is called transcription work. What is transcription work? Transcription work is whereby you listen to an audio and you write down what you listen to. Okay, you listen to an audio and you write down what you hear. Transcription world is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and yes, people are getting paid every time they do a project. How much can you earn doing transcription work? You can end up earning around over $1,000 per month. There are people who are earning around $1,000 per week. It all depends on you, how much you're charging, your skills that you specialize in, and of course, if you're recognized in that sector. Remember, the people who literally are specialized in this sector, that they have created a name for themselves. Usually, they charge a lot of money, and the more money you charge, of course, the more money you end up getting paid. But the only way for you to become successful as a freelancer, you must deliver high quality work. If you deliver poor quality work, nobody will want to work with you. It's the same way when you go to an office. When you go to an office job, usually what happens, you're supposed to do a good job, a quality job, and usually they in an office, they usually do performance appraisal. So if you do a poor job, what happens? You're going to be fired from your work. It's the same thing that happens when it comes to online work. The only difference is you're working online, and yes, they also value quality. Remember, nobody's coming to give you free lunch. Nobody's gonna give you free work. You have to deliver quality work for you to sustain that work, for you to sustain that job, and of course, for you to get good money at the end of the day. The other sector that I'm going to talk about is called um, teaching English online. Did you know you can literally getting paid just to teach English online and you get good amount of money? Yes, people are getting paid just to teach English online. Others get paid just to teach a foreign language across the world. There are websites which they'll give you these types of job, and they're looking for you. As long as you can prove to them you can speak the language that you say you are, then you are good to go. How can you start, and of course how much can you earn? Remember, per class you're going to charge around, for beginners, it's around $10 per hour. All right, $10 per hour. So those who are experienced, those who are literally known in the industry, they usually end up charging around $20 per hour. So when you're starting out, of course, you have to lower your rates a bit. Why? Because you want to attract clients to want to work with you. And when you do a good job, when clients are happy with your services, of course, word spread around, and you end up attracting more clients, and in the process you'll be able to increase your prices. So when it comes to teaching English, or when it comes to teaching a foreign language, It's all about quality. When your clients are happy because you're delivering high quality work, of course you can end up earning more money at the end of the day. So there are people who literally earn around $1,000 per week. There are people earning around more than $1,000 per week. Why? Because it all depends on you, on how many classes have you taken, that is how many hours you have done per week, and the quality of the work you're doing. When you do a good job, believe you me, you usually get 5-star rating in your under your profile. When you get 5-star rating under your profile, usually you end up attracting more clients to want to work with you. And when clients want to work with you, that is, you end up earning, getting more work for you. And as a result, it translates to you earning more money at the end of the day. That is how, when it comes to online teaching, and of course also when it comes to freelance work in general, it's all a matter of you delivering high quality work. Quality will always help you to create a name for yourself. It will always help you to increase your rate. It will always help you to earn more money at the end of the day. The other sector that I'm going to talk about where you can earn money online at the comfort of your home is basically high paying skills, and I'm talking about technology sector. This is whereby you're having skills like maybe data analysis, cyber security, front end, back end, machine learning. This sector, when I talk about, they usually are concentrating on high paying skills. And the good news is you can literally learn this type of skills at the comfort of your home. Once you have this type of skills, how much can you end up earning at the end of the day? You can end up earning around $100,000 per annum, depending on the company you're in. There are people who are starting as an entry level who are being paid around maybe $60,000-$80,000 per year. It's all about the sector you're in. It's all about the type of company who has employed you. And the good news is when you have this type of high paying skills, they are willing to pay you even if you're coming from another region of the world. Most of the time when they want to hire people from around the world, when it comes to high paying skills, they don't care as long as you have the skills. That's what that matters to them. And they can hire someone from America, they can hire someone from Africa, they can hire someone from Korea. It doesn't matter, as long as you have the skill they're looking for. You have shown them, you have proved to them during the interview process that you have that skill they're looking for, and they'll pay you the market price. That is the good news of you having these high paying skills. Remember, this type of skills I'm talking about, you can literally decide to go learn within a period of 3 months. There are people who are learning within a period of 3 months, even 6 months, or even 1 year down the line, and they start working the dream job that they'll be looking for. It's all about you. It's all about you having the will, the determination to learn these skills. And once you learn, it's all about you, working and being flexible, because you're working remotely at the comfort of your home and you're getting paid the market price from around the world. So the other sector I'm going to talk about is called academic writing. This is another multi-billion-dollar industry. There are people who literally are being paid dollars, top dollars, just to write academic work, and there are websites like that, which are literally looking for people who can do those academic type of writing. So how to start academic writing is simple. If you can write an article, if you've gone through maybe your college or university, and you know how to write academic work, that is term papers and midterm papers, assignments for other students, if you can do that, then of course you can literally turn that into your side hustle, and you start earning money by doing academic work for other students when it comes to this website. And there are literally hundreds and hundreds of websites that you can do this type of job, and they're willing to pay you in dollars. And the good news is they accept freelancers from around the world. It's all about you having the skills. That's all that they care about. And for you to become successful in this kind of sector is for you to deliver high quality work. When you deliver high quality work, believe you me, you'll end up earning even over $1,000 per week. Why? Because every time you do a job and client is happy about the services you're providing, they usually rate you. So if someone wants to hire you, they go under your profile and they see you are literally having these skills, and when they look at how you have performed with other past clientele, and they see 5-star rating, and each client is praising the skills that you're having, believe you me, they are going to pay you top dollars. And as a result, you are able also to increase your prices, because The demand is there. People are wanting to work with you. People are literally looking for the services you're offering. So you can increase your prices so that you end up earning more money at the end of the day. Remember, for you to become successful when it comes to online work, it's all about you delivering high quality work. You can never go wrong when it comes to delivering high quality work. Yes, at the beginning of your freelance work, you need to lower your rates. Why? Because you want to attract to get that first client. That is your end goal. Once you have landed your first clientele and you have delivered high quality work and the clientele has given you 5-star rating, then it's easier for you to land your second clientele, even your third clientele, and even your fourth clientele, and the process will go on. Why? Because you're delivering high quality, and each time you deliver high quality work, clients are willing to give you 5-star rating. And when you get this 5-star rating, what happens? Then more clients want to work with you, and the process continues. As a result, you end up earning more money at the end of the day. And yes, how much can you end up earning? You can end up earning over $2,000, even $3,000. There are people who are earning over $10,000 per month. Why? Because they have created a name for themselves. They are known to deliver high quality work. They have increased their prices, and still people want to work with them. Why? Because of the quality. When you deliver quality, you can never go wrong. You always laugh all the way to the bank, because people always want to associate with people who are delivering quality work. Guys, those are the 5 sectors which I've mentioned where you can earn money online as a freelancer at the comfort of your home. All it needs is for you to have this type of skills, and you can teach yourself, you can learn. And the best places where you can learn this type of skills, you can go on YouTube, you can Google also to learn this type of skills. And there are people who have literally documented themselves on YouTube platform where they're learning these skills from day one up to the last day where they've landed their dream type of job. So you can check out this website and literally learn at the comfort of your home, so that you can end up landing your dream job. So guys, I wish you all the best. Yes, these are skills that you can learn by yourself, for yourself, and end up earning money at the comfort of your home. It doesn't matter whether you're learning these skills in Nairobi, Kenya, or in South Africa, or in Nigeria, or whichever part of the world you're in. As long as you have the skills, you can end up earning, you can learn, and you can earn money online at the comfort of your home. I wish you all the best. Good luck. And if you have any questions, please drop in the comment section and I will answer them. Thank you so much, and good luck. Bye bye.